Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone, let us do the following question. We have to solve this question by using PySpace. This is the diagram. Firstly, if we have to solve this by PySpace, firstly we will find the value for k. The value. Now we will write here the value. The systematic is shown below. We will say the systematic. We will show here the AC sweep box. So we will say the systematic is shown below. If we have to find the value of k1, this can be written as 10 under the root 40 into 80. If we solve this value, we will get 0.1768. And if we have value of k2, this can be written as 20 under the root 40 into 60, and value of k2 can be written as 0.482. If we write value for k3, this can be written as 30 under the root 80 into 60. Value of this can be written as 0.433. Now we will solve this by AC sweep box. Now we will draw AC sweep box. This is AC sweep box. We have to solve this. We will say that in this we will say in AC sweep box, we set total points. Firstly we will set total points. Total points is equals to 1, and here if we have to calculate start frequency is 0.1592. This will be equal to end frequency. Now if we have to calculate frequency Im and Ip, if we have to calculate frequency Im and Ip, if we have to write frequency, this can be written as 1.592 E minus 01, and Im can be written as 1.304 E plus 00. Next, Ip can be written as 6.292 E plus 01. If we will calculate from this, we will calculate value of I node as 1.304 into 62.92 degree ampere. This is the answer. Okay, thank you.